I'm not putting it back in. You're going to put it back in.
Well, at least we can see what...
We don't have sockets like real mechanics because we're not in my garage. We're in the storage part of our compound.
We do. I just haven't walked in to go get him a socket because I wanted him to have We still have them. They're on the shelf. I just haven't brought them out for him.
And he's trying to piss me off right now.
Maybe I'll go get it for him. All right, I'll go get it for him. All
And
right.
I've been duped by him enough times that I know.
How was that?
Fun.
Brought everything but the tool we need.
Last episode, the C30 failed after being revved. The PTO let go and it ended up back at the shop on a tow.
Got it running, now I just gotta make it last. Figure I'm out of things Derek can break, so I think we should go for a road drive.
The plan was simple: fix the fuel system and get it running. But once we dug in, the real issues showed up. It was more than we expected. This episode, after the research, tire balancing, and building a test vehicle to match the Humvee, we are finally going to put our recently balanced airless tires on the C30 to find their performance and their limits on the dyno. We did balancing this morning, and Mark's got this test truck tuned up just
1960 style.
to be running just right. And after a few slight modifications. And balancing went well this morning, a lot better than we planned or expected. So now we're basically gonna put the test tires on the truck here at our shop before we take it to the test center. And then we'll load up, go to the test center. I'd like to drive it over there, but our insurance ran out on it. So we're gonna trailer it over, get it parked on the dyno so that it can get its mojo and good feelings, vibes while it sits there tonight. And then, yeah, tomorrow's test day, so we're about as prepared as I think we can be.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go get the forklift.
Okay, I'm just gonna crack these loose. We'll likely have to pick the truck up with a forklift and drop it to break the hubs loose, because these have been on there since before most of us have been born. Yeah, it's good. Keep going. Like a dream.
Okay, let's get the other tires.
Roller on.
Like a glove.
You gotta go up. No, don't use the roll.
Yeah, so the nuts are chamfered to basically make the tire lug-centric instead of hub-centric. So that way when they go on there, they center nicely.
All right, you know how you were waiting for that eureka moment that something would go wrong?
Yeah, I'm waiting on the smack in the face that we're gonna find at some point that we always find on these projects, but
That's now.
why?
Standard lug nuts that are standard don't fit on it.
Why?
Yeah. So they go on 2 turn, so it's wrong pitch. And these are what they call standard. They're fine thread 1/2 inch.
You didn't check that when you bought them?
Can't. This is what Google tells you is on here, but that's definitely not what's on there.
So you didn't check that when you bought them?
It's a factory. Spins on just gorgeous. Google tells you it's 1/2 inch fine for a neat rear end. That's 1/2 inch fine.
Options?
Use the old ones and don't do hub centric, which can't do.
Why?
Because you use the bolts chamfer to align it.
Oh, sorry, I know why. I meant, why can't we redneck it?
The only thing you can do is we can spin these up on the lathe to make the same chamfer.
Yeah, let's chamfer them.
Okay.
I think we put the test tires on and then we'll just have to jack it up, loosen it, recenter it. But at least this way we have the forklift and everything to do it, right?
Yeah, we can't drive it on.
Why?
Because you're gonna, when you do the load, like let's just driving that distance, you'll bend these.
Okay, well then let's get nuts. But let's put the tires on, and then that way they're on, and then we'll just get nuts.
Okay.
So what are you doing now?
Trying not to show I'm pissed off on camera. What's our center bore like? Because those aren't lug centric, so like how much different is our center bore?
It's designed for the Hummer. That's why we did it. Hub centric for the Hummer. And
I know, but my question is what's the difference in bore size?
overall, about a quarter.
Quarter inch?
Yeah. I think it's just like 210, 220.
That ain't gonna work.
No, you'll rip the studs off and not even that distance.
So the risk is that you'll drive it and the wheels will come off.
Yeah, which is not what you want to do. Like you'll basically break the studs because if they're loose, then you'll wallow out the rim. Because this was originally designed to fit onto a Hummer, we can't go hub centric, so it's not like we can use the old studs. So it's a bit of a dilemma.
So you can see there's a lip on the rim, and that's the lip that these girls ran on. And that's what we would have designed it to, except we thought that these were standard fine thread, which is 24 pitch. Unfortunately, will not work. Okay, down. Keep coming. Keep coming. Right there. Up. (13/16) is what my guess was.
I was thinking we send it.
But if the engineer says it, then...
Well, send one. That looks like it centered it pretty good.
We're putting the nuts we bought on so that to make it lug centric rather than hub centric. Basically, we're just finding out that 40 or 50 years of rust is not good for nuts. So we're trying to just do it carefully. Now we're gonna find the next weakest link. We already know that the PTO shaft was not up to standards. And we're gonna send it again and see what happens next. Can I ask what you're recording? Because like you're just pointing at his chest. Like he did that with me a few times. Like look at the back of the thing, you know what I mean? Like camera guy. Okay, now go down. Okay, back.
Front tires?
No, just the rear tires for the test. From here, we'll evaluate, you know, do we need more compression, less compression? Do we need, you know, different rubber compounds, different core geometry? Like, the test tomorrow is gonna tell us a lot.
Why won't this go down all the way?
It won't, because you have to fix the cylinder. It's not a new trailer anymore.
But we got it to go down the other day.
Because I pushed it down with a skid steer. Can we load the truck?
Yep. In you go.
What?
In you go.
You trust me to drive again?
No. forklift me close.
I hit the forklift.
Here we go. Almost. Almost on.
Almost on.
I needed like a foot more before the car choked out because of the angle we ran out of fuel.
Ran out of fuel?
Well, because the tank has a pickup, right? So it's here, and the tank sloshed. And as I was accelerating, she just choked herself out. I can't jump out and help. Okay, top left front, I'm pretty sure we're good.
So we're here with Mike from Red River College, and basically we're gonna unload the C30 and set up for dyno testing tomorrow. So maybe let's walk in and show you what the dyno is while we get the truck unloaded.
Well, this is the dyno that we have at Red River College here. It's a 3-axis tandem axle dyno. It's a large dyno, 42-inch rolls, capable of 30,000 pounds per axle, so it can handle big vehicles, semi-trucks, highway buses, and even larger implements if need be. We're going to be putting the drive wheels are going to go on here. So for 2-wheel drive, we go on here. Tandem, which you don't have, we would go on the back too, and then all-wheel drive if we had. But
And does it matter where the fronts land? Or?
We're going to have to kind of look at the wheelbase, depending where those rollers. We may have to adjust the platform slightly.
So what do you want us to do? Drive in and...
We're going to just drive on first of all, and then just try to get your back tires up on the rollers and try to stop there.
Yeah. So I was thinking about this. We're going to have a challenge getting it off because the wheelbase of the truck versus where the tilt is. Get your front tire here or here, and then hit the brakes, and then we'll see where we're at.
Come on, baby.
Oh yeah! A little more. You got brakes? Whoa! No, that wasn't good. Keep going. Fuck, that hurt.
That's what I'm worried about. Now she's flooded.
Sweet. Yeah. Keep going. Just roll. Don't stop. Go. Nailed it.
Just kind of bump up onto that roller, because you can't really spin the tires on the roller.
Oh, that's great. Okay.
So just kind of a little harder. Right there, stop.
Don't move.
Try to hold you there.
Like I never had those issues when I was driving.
Okay, just let it back a bit. Didn't work.
Not quite.
Just hold the brake. Okay.
Try again?
Yeah, but let me, we're gonna set off my CO alarm.
You're gonna have to get ahead. Just got a text that we're very near the end for Iron
Okay,
Planet.
try it again, just back up a bit and then
We'll talk.
take a little bump at it. You gotta bump up there.
Whoa, whoa!
Hold it right there.
Right there, don't
Shut it off,
move!
but don't let the brakes off.
We might have to back up a hair here. He's shifted forward just a bit.
It's okay, I'll pull him back with the chains.
Okay.
As long as he stays up there. We want to be a little bit forward anyway.
It's in gear, but she still slid forward.
Okay. It's pretty square. Now, normally we start it up, now we'll roll the tires a little bit, just slowly.
Yeah, we noticed that the tires are pigeon-toed a little bit, but that could be like the axle, it could be whatever.
Like at the top. Yeah.
Yeah.
That wouldn't be me. I just gotta unlock the rollers.
What's he gonna try to do? Find center by rolling.
No, you said we're pretty good. So,
because if we start it and roll it, what's gonna do is the back will wander till it's both wheels are equal. So she'll just slide over a little bit.
I think everything will level out once we...
Once you start it, just you'll center itself.
What do you think?
Well, I'd like to start it up and we'll try to center it up a little bit.
So you want us to drive it a little bit?
Just really slow. You just gotta roll the wheels a little bit. I gotta kind of play with the chains a little bit.
Ease in it.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, you don't gotta go fast.
She's in gear.
Just hang on a sec. I'm gonna put a couple of these in.
Smells like fuel.
Yeah, because you're pumping right now.
How did it look? You can feel the lug, but I think that's because it's like tilted in a little bit. That's pretty sweet.
All right, we're ready. It moved over a little bit, so we were a little bit out of square, but we're good.
So we're ready to roll?
As long as the truck is.
Oh, she's a beaut. So what time do you want to start tomorrow?
Whatever you want. Yeah, I'm here by 7:30, but 8 o'clock if you want to start. Or
Yeah, we'll be here. I'll be here. Well, whatever. We'll be here at 7:30. Get set up, and then we can start testing for 8, hopefully.
that'll work for me.
Okay. Appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
We've balanced them, we've mounted them, we've solved the surprises, at least the ones we could see. Now there's nowhere left to hide. Tomorrow, it's dyno testing.
If you like what you're seeing in this video, hit the subscribe button, the like button, do all those good things, keep following along. We got more to come, and let me tell you right now, you're gonna be entertained.